There was a woman in Chicago, a Miss Goldberg. She was not married. And she had set up to educate Jewish girls. See, very few girls in my generation even had any kind of Jewish education. And she had what she set up of Sabbath schools. That is, on Saturday afternoon, you'd go into, there was a shul, it was a rickety old shul, and she had young women, they were but maybe 18, and they would read Bible stories to us, and there was always a moral at the end of the story, you know. But in addition to that, there was regular school, after school, and that's where we learned Hebrew and Yiddish, and we had history, and on Sunday morning, we had plays and songs. So I had a much more positive experience than my brothers. They had a Malamed. They didn't learn history. All they had to learn was how to daven, so that they could, I don't know, be bar mitzvah, you know. And it was too bad, because I got the good education. They didn't, even though they knew how to daven fast, you know. But and then once their bar mitzvah was over, they were finished. You know, that was the end of it.